The sun's up, which only means one thing. Breakfast time! Anything good under all this junk? I hear that loud and clear! Look at all of this trash! Oh no! A sweet little dog! How did you get here, cutie? You're so cute and fluffy! Oh no! The clouds! I need to save you! Come on, Mom! I want to come out! I'm pushing as hard as I can! Get it out of me! You're scaring me!
It's coming!
It hurts so bad!
Push! Push as hard as you can! Got it! Ah, and she's perfect! You're gonna have a great life!
She's adorable! But wait, she's losing life!
Quick, take her to the emergency room!
My baby! Where is she going?
Chew this!
I love bones!
Good girl!
Doctor, help!
Yes?
Can you help dogs?
I was kind of in the middle here. See? Come back tomorrow. Let me see the dog.
She was just born!
Let's see here. Cute nose. Okay, I see. Quick. Lay him down here. Hurry! This may take a while. There's just so much to do. Here come the stress sweats.
No, not a needle! I can't watch!
Okay, these things are warm. Engage in electric shock.
Is she okay, doctor? She looks happy, right? Is that her breath I smell? It's gonna be okay, sweetie. Good girl.
See? She's gonna be just fine.
You hear that, good girl? You're gonna be just fine, my princess.
Oh my! What are you doing to her? What on earth?
I'm just so thirsty. Want some? You've been through so much.
Thank goodness. Take one twice a day.
Thank you. Let's go home now. Say thank you.
Aw.
Thanks, Doc. I feel great. Can I poop yet?
You're welcome. Bye. What a day.
Excuse me. My tooth. See? This is my house. Wow. Are we rich?
What's that? Luna?
It's our new pup.
You got a dog?
Once upon a time, there was a puppy. He was brown and shaggy.
It's not a baby, Luna. Seriously? What are you doing?
We're going for a ride. Faster, faster! Woohoo!
Ah, so silly. It's just a dog.
What's that now?
Hey, that tickles. I'm more into my personal space.
He just really likes you.
Just as I suspected. She stinks.
You're not wrong. I'll give her a bath. Ready, girl? I don't know about this.
How about some perfume, huh? Ah, my eyes, that hurt.
I have a much better idea. It's like a little doggy massage. See? Yeah, that's the spot. So good.
Yeah.
You want to be next?
See this? I'm gonna need them all. These ears have to be squeaky clean.
That's enough. Hey, that's tasty. More, please.
Ew, look at this stuff.
Don't be rude. Put your paws in here. We've got to clean them up. Awesome. Now for some gentle head rubs. You're gonna like this. So nice. Oh yeah, that's the spot right there. Mind if I fall asleep for a minute? Are you nice and relaxed? Timmy?
I'll be right with you. Oh. Hey, what's the big deal? Okay, you don't know what you're missing. Oh, look at that cat. So funny. Finally, feels good to be home. Why are these so warm? Oh no, the dog left me a treat. This is not okay. Evie.
Hey there.
Evie, what is this?
Huh?
This is unacceptable.
Don't be mad at me.
Bad girl.
Do you still love me?
Oh, I can't stay mad. You're so cute. It's okay. I forgive you. I can't stay mad. I have an idea.
What's with the sandbox?
It's in your bathroom. Come on, Pee-Pee. Come on. Pee-Pee, where are you going? Wait a minute. I just have to teach her with an example. This thing stinks, and I know right where it belongs. Just like this, see? Oh, it's no use.
What's going on in here?
See? Just like this. Luna?
What am I watching here?
It's okay, she's learning, aren't you? Good girl.
Come on, Timmy, we're late.
But I'm so tired.
Come on, we have to go.
Hold on. And what about her?
You're going? I can't leave her like this.
We can just use this camera.
Wow, what's that? It's recording? Let's put it on her. Good girl. Okay, now we're really gonna be late.
Bye, Evie.
Wait, I'm home all alone now? What can I chew on? What's this? It's coming down here with me. More pretty leaves. A cat! Get down from there. You're coming with me. There's that sandbox again. Whatever. I'd much rather poop in these. Mission accomplished. Moving on. I haven't checked my emails in a while. This dog can fly? Awesome. Let's see. That's me. So pretty. We're home. Evie, I'm watching that video right now. I can't believe it. Total destruction.
That's enough. We need to do something. Huh? Where is she?
Can't catch me. Over there.
So fast. Just look at this place.
We need to clean up.
Yeah.
You're such a good girl, aren't you?
Luna! Luna! Look at this! It's a new trend on TikTok. Do we dare?
Definitely.
But the dog needs a new outfit.
I do? Look at my little mouse.
This is a dog's life. 2 teenagers and a dog take the internet by storm. TikTok is going crazy about the new adorable pet.
On TikTok, all we can say is, she's so cute! We can't get enough!
Awesome! Hey! What are you eating? A chocolate bar? Evie, that is very bad. If you're hungry, eat this. It's much better for you.
What's that?
So close! I know. You need to drink your milk. Then we've got some work to do. Catch my drift? Time to eat, Evie!
Not bad. Just like your mama. Who drank all the milk? I should have known. Want some cereal?
No, thank you. Good girl.
I sure am.
Movie night was a great idea. Huh?
Tonight's breaking story is about a man who found his dog on TikTok.
Not our dog, right? Sir, tell us what happened.
My dog, she's all I have. Please, let me reunite with my best friend. If you have any information, please call the number below.
Oh
This isn't good.
It's
our dog.
Why the long faces, guys? Okay, we need to give him back.
No, never.
I'm calling now. We have to.
But she's my best friend.
Open up.
He's here? Already?
No.
Get a hold of yourself. Can I help you?
I'm here for the dog.
Oh yeah?
I need more light.
Oh, hi, here you have my dog.
So sorry about that.
It's okay, no worries. May I?
Okay.
You need to give her respect and love. We'll love you forever, Evie.
Okay, I'll just take her. Thank you. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
That was so sad. Mind if I lie down? What is life without my pup?
I know. Wait a minute. It's Evie. I hope this reaches my mom.
You ready? Smile, will ya? We're going viral. Now do something cute. Come on. Come on, do something.
Timmy, I have a plan.
Huh?
Get up. Let's go.
Stupid dog. Who's that? Hello?
You won the big jackpot!
No way, really?
That's right. You just need to sign here.
Okay.
Don't worry, Evie. You're coming home.
Here too.
Okay.
Hang on tight, pup. I did it!
Congratulations on the money. Good night.
How do I get the cash? Whatever. Smile. Huh? Hey, where's the dog?
We thought we lost you. You saved me. That was one weird dude. Okay, girl, let's go for a walk.